Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to reduce image size and resize images on iPhone without using any third-party app. Let's have a look. First, open Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap plus button from top right corner of the screen. Now tap Search Actions. In the search box, type Select Photos. Then from search results, hit Select Photos. Again, tap Search Actions. Then on the search box, type Resize Image. Hit Resize Image from search result. After the resize action has been added on your shortcut, tap on where it says 640. On keyboard suggestions, you will see some option slide right to left and choose ask each time. Next, tap search actions one more time, then search for save to photos. Hit save to photos album from search result. Now tap I button from bottom bar and simply turn on Show in Share Sheet. Then tap Done on top right. Tap arrow button beside Save to Photo Album. Tap Rename. Now type Resize Photos and tap Done on top right. New shortcut created on your iPhone. Now to reduce or resize image, open Photos app, then open any photo from photo gallery, tap share button on bottom left, scroll up and tap resize photos. Select the photo from photo gallery. When prompted, enter your desired width for the image and tap Done. That's it. The image will be resized and reduced and save as a new copy. Before reduce the image size, it was 1.6 MB. After size reduction, now 235 KB. So these are the steps to reduce size and resize images on iPhone without using any third-party apps. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.